Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw that Mortal Kombat logo. So let us get started. I'm excited. So let's go over here, and I'm gonna start with a kind of like a C. It's gonna be top of that little strand coming off the head of the dragon in the logo. Down, up a little bit of a notch there, like another little hair or whatever you call it. Straight across, down, straight across, right here for the brow, right there. Curve in, out over here for the snout of the dragon. Up over here, down, up over here, down, back, out right there, and down right here for kind of the mouth there. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like Mortal Kombat. I was a huge, it's probably my first love is Mortal Kombat. One of the things I loved so much, more than anything else. I got really addicted to that. Back, right here for that. Pulling out over here for the tongue. Curving out like that for that tongue. It's gonna have a forked tongue. Back right there. Out. And that tongue is gonna go all the way back here. For the tongue's gonna go all the way back pretty much to base. Downward here in for a little bit of the mouth right there. Back. And so now we're gonna do the bottom of the jaw here, bottom of the bottom jaw. Pulling back there. Before anything else, we're gonna find the nostril. The nostril's gonna be about yay level. We're gonna go out, down, in. And by the way, for this kind of stuff, like really, all you really need is like the impression of it. It doesn't have to be like a photograph or anything like that. It's just the impression. If you get the impression right, it's completely fine. So don't worry about like the angles of too much, right? You just wanna, it's, you know, it is what it is. Up over here for the eye. Curve down. Back down here. Curve around here for the back hair over there. Back over here. In. Down, back over there. All right, now we're gonna find the opening of the dragon's mouth. So it's gonna be like a line right here, and back for the front of the snout here. Pull up. It's pretty skinny in that area, and then it's gonna curve back down. The lower jaw right here is incredibly skinny. Back over here. We're gonna find the masseter over here, right there. So it's the kind of the jaw, like the kind of it's like basically the lower jaw. Back down. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way. I post one new lesson every single day right now, and it's so worth it. Basically, I go over everything you can think of, and I go over requests that people made. So definitely let me know, and in the comment section, and I will make it happen. Curve over here, and so it's gonna have like an S curve. It's gonna go right here, and it's gonna go close to the tongue, but not quite, and then pull down. Right on. Gonna curve along the back here, and it's gonna curve out in, down over here, out, pulling in, back in, back over here, and so on. Right there, it's gonna have that S curve. It's got a very like flowing S curve. Right on. And now, if you want, you can throw in the circle, but that's pretty hard. I would say if you're gonna throw the circle in, do it gradually, like I'm about to attempt here. I'm gonna attempt this, okay? Please give me a like just for attempting this, please. Absolutely will help. So part of the circle is gonna touch these frills right here, so I'm gonna start with that side. And it's gonna come pretty close, so I might even mark it over here. It's gonna come close to the dragon. So I'm gonna try to connect these curves. See, I have like I'm forming almost like, you can keep doing that, by the way. You can go over here, form a little framework for yourself, and kind of like where you want that circle to be, so that it gives it a, you're kind of close. So right here, it's like then you're kind of doing your own, almost connect the dots sort of thing. Right here, so you don't have to do it all in one shot. Or if you do. So, okay, I have my circle traced out, right? This is just something I do. This isn't even like, you should do this or an artist technique. This is just something that I do. But so let's go over here now, and I'm gonna, all right, pull through that. Up over here. Sorry, I'm being quiet, I'm just thinking. Or focusing. Right on. So that's close enough. I like that. And then there'd be like another circle around that, which, oh man, that's gonna be tough. But since we're here, I'm gonna do it just for you guys. I'm gonna attempt it, okay? Doing like another circle. It's like, oh man. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Well, let me mark it out. So that one is a little bit closer because I am a little bit closer. There we go. All right, let's do it. Oops, I think I already kind of messed up. Oh well, that's just how it works. I guess you could just grab a compass or an ellipse, but we're doing it the hard way. Again, don't attempt this unless you really want to, especially with a marker. Wow. Pretty good, I think. As far as freehand goes, I like that. And then if you want, you could just fill in the whole thing solid, which I won't do. That one's going to kill my marker. So I want to thank you very much for sticking around. Wow, that was hard. Don't forget, there's a free How to Draw Cute ebook in the description. I remade it, so it's brand new. It's like way better than the one I had before. If you got the one before, let me know if you didn't get it. I sent an email, so it should go out to if you've already, gotten the old one. And that's it. I want to thank you very much, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? Don't forget to say what's up. If you're a Mortal Kombat fan, please say what's up. Talk to you later.